Hindi natin siya tutulungan. Mamamatay siya.
I really don't have time for this. I can't help you.
Please, I'm begging you, please. Ano yung kainin?
You're breaking the #1 rule. Even I can't override the orders of the headmistress. Pero, para sa kaibigan mo, maybe I can make an exception.
Open the doors! Now! Resume your duties. Gawing operational ang clinic.
Pero saan? Mapupuno ang
Siya lang ang gagamutin mo. Huwag ka magpapasok ng iba.
ano ang parusa.
Kamatayan.